In a faraway land, nestled between the azure waves and the verdant cliffs, lived the enchanting Shearwater. This regal bird was known for its grace and beauty, but also for its unwavering resilience. One day, a great storm swept across the land, causing the seas to churn and the skies to roar. The winds tore through the air, shaking the very foundations of the cliffs. The Shearwater, perched high above, watched as the storm bore down on her home. The storm raged on for days, battering the cliffs and washing away the nest she had built. The Shearwater's heart ached, but she refused to give in to despair. Instead, she found a small, sheltered cove, hidden from the storm's fury. In the safety of the cove, she began to rebuild. Slowly, carefully, she gathered stones and twigs, crafting a new home for herself and her eggs. Days turned into weeks, and the storm showed no signs of abating. But the Shearwater remained undeterred. One day, as the storm finally began to subside, the Shearwater took flight. She soared above the cliffs, her wings spread wide, her spirit unbroken. She had weathered the storm, and her resilience had been proven. The people of the land watched in awe as the Shearwater returned, her new home complete. They marveled at her determination, her strength, and her unwavering spirit. From that day forward, the Shearwater was no longer just a bird, but a symbol of hope and resilience, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, one can rise above. The story of the Shearwater serves as a lesson for us all. In our own lives, we will face storms. We will face challenges and obstacles that may seem insurmountable. But like the Shearwater, we too can find our hidden coves, our sheltered places, where we can rebuild and regroup. We too can find the resilience to weather the storm and rise above. For it is in our darkest moments that our true strength is revealed, and it is in our resilience that we find our wings.